these are all the entries. It ends at 10169. So the max right here. 0020. Okay, 5. So I hit this 5 times. 5. So that's the winning order number. 10100. So next page. Daniel, you're the winner.
Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be a fun and exciting day. We got Chino out here, Diego. It's such a nice day outside today. The sun is out, feels good. The STI is back out, so it's really nice to see that outside. By the title and intro of this video, you guys already know what we're gonna be installing on the STI, but there's a backstory to it, and it's something that I've been wanting to share with you guys for a couple of weeks now. So let's get right into it.
You are right on that, bro.
Guys ready? Let's show them, dude. I haven't opened this box because I wanted a honest, genuine reaction to it. And neither has Chino, neither has Diego. So let's head over and unbox it. Got a shirt. So it's a Vertex and collaboration with NRI, which is Night Runner. They also sent out a key tag. So this key tag right here means quite a lot, and I'll share with you guys in just a moment. But let's go ahead and unbox this.
1 minute late. 5 minutes later.
Dude, it's here.
Japanese letters. It's always a good sign.
Let me see that.
Dude, that's JDM as fuck.
That's sick, bro.
Dude, that's sick.
Dude.
Oh, damn, that's sick.
so good.
Oh, it's so nice, dude. Damn. It's so much better in person.
Zoom in on that.
So limited edition, only 100 made.
Oh, like whenever
Yeah.
it says the number, you were
Number
Yeah,
97.
dude. Man, I like that. Like 97.
Yeah.
And I like how it's a little smaller than OEM, huh?
Yeah.
it is. Way smaller, it feels like.
Told Danny, him winning it. Like, dude, what are the odds?
So guys, this is a Vertex / Night Runner International collaboration wheel. There was only 100 made, and as you can see, I got number 97. It's a 330mm deep dish wheel, and I am like absolutely in love with this thing, guys.
I'm telling you, I like this a lot. 97.
Dude, I
Wait,
like
you were born
this.
97, right?
That's the thing, dude. I was like, I'm gonna make something special out of this wheel with the number. 97 is actually the year that we were born.
We were born. That's crazy.
I wasn't born.
Well, Chino's 98, but
I think that's sick, bro. I think I told you the odds of you winning that is even crazier.
Dude, this is a $450 steering
yeah.
wheel,
So
and he got it for like 10.
now that Chino says that, let's go ahead and tell you guys the backstory on this steering wheel. I was actually watching one of Dustin Williams' videos, and he actually got this same steering wheel. And as soon as I saw it, guys, I was like, that thing is beautiful. Like the black leather with the white, I think it's super simple, but like the Japanese letters is something that I think I'm going for with the theme of my car, like something super JDM. I'm watching his video and I just like couldn't get over this specific wheel. So what I did right after that, I clicked off the video and I went to vertex.com, and I'm looking all over the place for this wheel, couldn't find it. And then I went to Night Runner International and I actually found this wheel, but it said sold out. So I went on there, started reading the description, and they actually only made 100 of these, and they were all sold out. Everyone had already pre-ordered them, and there was absolutely no way for me to get my hands on one of these. I actually went to work the next day. I told all these guys about this wheel, and Chino, what did I tell you?
Dude, he was like super bummed about how it was sold out, but he was like, dude, I'm gonna get my hands on it somehow.
Somehow, some way,
Yeah.
I am going to find this wheel. And there was 100 made only, and people had already pre-ordered them, so it was nearly impossible. So the day that we installed the access port on Camacho's car, He actually dropped me off back home, and I went on Instagram, and the guy who owns Night Runner International actually posted a story on his Instagram and was like, I have an extra wheel that I want to get rid of that I kept for my personal car, but it doesn't fit into my plans anymore, so I'm gonna give it away tonight. So as soon as I saw that, I'm like super hyped, guys. So the way he was doing the giveaway is you had to go on his website at 6 o'clock and purchase one of these jet tags right here. They're about $15, and the first 150 people to buy one of these was automatically entered into the raffle, and just 150 people, no one else. So I got one just in time. They sold out at 6:02 p.m. and I was able to get one. About an hour and a half later, he posted that 8 p.m. He was going to announce the winner for the Vertex wheel. So I went on there. He started a live video right at 8 p.m. and I'm sitting there watching the entire thing. He hit like a random generator, and then he hit a second random generator that would dictate how many times he generates the winning number. So finally he pulls up the winning number and he starts scrolling through the names, and he scrolls all the way to the top and I don't see my name. So I'm like, okay, you know, at least I tried to get my hands on this and it didn't work, whatever. So then he scrolls to the top and he says it's actually going to be on the next page. So he hits the next page, scrolls to the top, and I see my name, guys. I see my name, and I look over, and the order number that he generated randomly was the one that, dude, it was my number, dude. And I like jumped up and I screamed and I like FaceTimed all these guys.
We were like washing our cars, and Nestor came over to me, and he was like super hype, and he told me, and I just kept washing my car. I was like, he's full of shit. Like he didn't do that. But I followed Night Runner, so I went on their story after I was done, and I saw it, and dude, I was so hyped.
Damn.
I was watching Dustin's video, and then you FaceTime me, told me like, dude, I won, and I'm like, what are you talking about? I'm pretty sure like you're like messing with me, and then you're like, dude, go check his Instagram story. So I go check it, and then I see his name, and then I'm like, dude, that is fucking that is crazy. Sorry.
Danny sent us a screenshot of like the live stream, but I hadn't even seen the live stream, and he's like the king of like sending photoshopped pictures. So I was like,
I thought you were messing with me.
Yeah, I was
dude.
like, his name was like in some basic ass font. So I was like, okay, dude, like how do you expect me to believe this? And then I saw that same picture on the Night Runner story, and I was like, dude.
I want to give a huge shout out to Night Runner and to Reggie, the owner of Night Runner. Thank you for allowing this opportunity for someone to win this last wheel. Super special to me, and I am going to take very good care of it, guys. So first off, guys, before we install the wheel, we don't want the airbag to kill us, so we're going to disconnect the battery. Some of you guys are probably asking yourself what's up with the front end of my car. You guys will see that in the next week or so. Oh, I'm giving this shirt to Chino because he only sent out a large. That's all he had. So Chino.
Yeah,
along with the steering wheel, I went with the Workspell short hub. So this is the adapter that you need to actually run the aftermarket steering wheel. So we're gonna go ahead and start the install. The first thing you got to do is actually pull these screws out from the side of the steering wheel. That releases the airbag.
Maybe if I had like something else, but
Airbag just goes off in your
that's
face.
scary.
Dude, I didn't even think about that.
So Diego got the screws out, and should pop right out. So.
Ida! Look who decided to show up.
I really haven't heard his new tune yet.
Dude,
Hey, can you take me on the pool? Let's go. Let's go.
I'll take the back seat. I'm telling you, he did a pull next to me with my window down. Dude, it hella hurts your ears.
And the blow out, dude. I don't know, man. Like compared to how it was before you had it with just Tomei, it's good, man. It sounds good. You have no choice. Oh! Crap, dude, that's sick. Oh!
Airbag hella blue.
No way.
Yeah, dude.
Blew up in my face, dude.
No. Why do you think he's so ugly?
It's small.
It is, yeah. We just compared sizes.
I was gonna be like,
We just compared sizes.
what the?
Now that we got the airbag out, we're gonna make an ejecto-cedo.
On the passenger seat.
We're gonna say that for another video.
Like this
Right
side? Yeah. Oh, it's
fucking on there, dude. Oh, fucking Diego. That's good, right?
That's it.
Cool. I think they're about the same, but look at the sizing. That's a better look at it.
Oh, fuck.
So it's a lot smaller, but
It's not about the size.
it's not the size that matters, it's how you use it. Should be good. Straight. All right. I'm not sure what they are. I know one's a resistor, and I don't know if that one is for the horn, possibly. I'm not too sure, but yeah, we'll find out. Okay. Okay. All right. I have no idea how to do this.
I think this goes. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about.
Right now, the only thing that's stopping us from finishing up the steering wheel is we can't figure out how to wire up the horn. So we brought Onguito. What's up?
Call me when you need me, huh?
You were working, buddy. We weren't able to figure out the horn. It's not something that I'm too worried about because I'm not currently driving the car. Once spring, summer kind of hits around and I start driving the car, we'll try and figure out how to get it all wired up. Or maybe one of you guys in the comments can figure it out for us and then we can go from there. But we're gonna go ahead and throw on the wheel. We got the hub on. Next is screwing on the wheel.
Dude, it feels small, huh? 97 out of how many?
100. That's the year I was born.
No airbags, dude.
Who needs airbag? That's what I'm saying. Who needs
Track cars
airbags?
don't need airbags.
Well, when you keep it in there all day.
Oh, damn! Oh, so there it is, guys. It's in. It's small. It's definitely
That's what I
smaller.
said.
But
That's what she said.
it's nice though. I like how it's like deep dish. It comes out, and it's not like too up here. I was worried it was gonna be like too in your face, but it's like perfect, dude. All right, guys, we're gonna let the Subi warm up, and then we're gonna go for a test drive and see how the Vertex steering wheel feels. First impressions on the new wheel. You can definitely feel how much smaller it is and thinner, but overall I really like the feeling of it. I just kind of wish my alignment was here a lot quicker because it's still like all shaky and stuff, but I'm definitely digging the new wheel. It feels really, really good. I'm actually surprised at how much I like it, but it will really take some getting used to going from a bigger to a smaller wheel. But overall, super happy. Yo guys, look how funny the car looks with no headlights. And I drove it all the way over here like that. But most of you guys will recognize this spot. One of our favorite spots to shoot pictures.
It feels empty, but it's there. And it's thin.
It's thin, huh? It's a lot thinner. Try it, dude.
Oh, that's just a real clutch, buddy.
It's a real... How does it feel?
Yeah, it's pretty tight.
You like it?
Yeah. I feel like I need to get more used to your clutch than the steering wheel.
You have to hit legs, buddy. That's it.
Dude.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know what you guys think about the Vertex steering wheel. The sun has officially set. I'm gonna try and get the STI back home before it gets any darker. Super excited to show you guys what's coming for the front end of my car. Once again, huge thank you to Reggie for allowing me to win this dope steering wheel. Honestly, it's gonna go so well with the theme that I'm going for with my car. So huge thank you to all my boys for helping me throw on the steering wheel. I also really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This is something that I wanted to tell you guys from the moment I found out that I won it, but it was worth the wait and I love the way it looks and how everything came out. That's gonna do it for today. We will